I see calendars as maps. Let me show you how. I'm Janander. So the two calendars that I explain as a sun map and a moon map really come together as this external map for an internal landscape. What do I mean by that? So in previous videos, I've illustrated the divine mathematics about the sun and the moon maps. And so in this container, which uses a 13-month calendar to restore peace, we take these calendars and bring them into our personal growth. Because when you consider the celestial placements in motion, you reorient your perspective. Perspective leads to knowledge. You can choose to change your individual pace. Slowing down is often the one that we're asked to do, and integrate your life experiences with a different goal than modern society offers you. What's that goal usually? Winning, being right, going faster, being more efficient, being more effective, right? Your ego will tell you all day long what your goal is. So in this membership, we encourage you to slow down to receive what God has for you to hear. The goal is to be adept at listening. You make no decision without the God of your heart guiding you. I made this container as a place to listen to the word. The art of peaceful, intentional living is found in how you approach your day. Who and what are you listening to? External factors either stress you out or have an inner peace to help others. In this membership, we take our emotions and we lay them on the altar to restore peace. We place God at the center of the wheel. Your religion is your way, and you bring that with you to the table. Here's how the maps look. For each phase, these are calendars. So for each phase, I share ways to connect with it and the world around you. Because building cosmic connections from the divine universe can heal the adverse effects of stress, grief, lack of joy, you name it, right? Fill in the emotional blank. Next, I give you examples of how to move through the physical plane and access optimal flow with your lists. Then I offer you a way to connect with the element on your altar and ask the God of your heart to restore you. This process takes your personal spiritual practice to the next level of healing so you can feel more harmony. When you bring these maps together, you experience integrated elemental cosmology. Yes, it involves action on your part. The more you interact with the element of the day, for example, the more you will feel supported for personal growth. You're making choices on how to focus your mind and take aligned action for your highest good. In my membership, we elaborate on the daily practices because this pedagogy is what facilitates your healing to end the past stories you have carried. Furthermore, it supports your connection to the heavenly creator. So for now, I invite you into each element as a daily practice, not just in a time of need. I honor the teachings of as above, so below, and that's translated to mean that divine information from the heavens is received on earth. The earth holds the elements, that's why I use them. Hearing your life instruction means you are meant for a holy function, to express your cosmic contribution to the world. By accessing divine information, the stars can transmit, you make time for more connection, love, joy, and peace of mind. You can harness elemental energy as a form of support with daily activities. But like I said, it is all about putting the God of your heart at the center. If you're ready to link up, join the Sun and Moon membership. I'm really excited to connect with you here. Links below. Peace.